Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. So, first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now, Sun is starting from your 4th house in the sign of Aries. Means Sun is right now in its exalted position in the sign of Aries. 4th house deal with your home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort, how much comfort you will have in your life, how good relationship you will have regarding your home related matter, means your home members. All of these things are represented by 4th house. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life are seen from 8th house, sudden positive event and sudden negative event. All of these things are seen from 8th house. Your sexual organs, sexual relationship, your secretive affairs, all of these things are represented by 8th house. So 8th house Lord is right now turning from your 4th house. And Sun will stay into your 4th house till 15th May 2025. After 15th May, Sun will move from your 4th house to your 5th house in the sign of Taurus. So 8th, your sudden and unexpected events Lord will be turning from your 4th house. We can expect you may suddenly get good result regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort related matter because Aries sign considered as exalted sign means your 8th house is right now in a good position. So suddenly we can expect in the month of May you may try to renovate your home, you may intend your attention to properties, vehicles, comfort related matter or your homies. We can expect you will after 15th of May when Sun will move from your 4th house to 5th house, then 5th house will be the children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your early education till college life education is seen from 5th house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, etc. So when your 8th house Lord will be transiting from your 5th house, we can expect if you are in education life, like you're younger in age, you are doing some education, you will perform very well at your education related matter. Like your mental abilities will be very supportive to you. Whatever you are learning during this time period, you will be able to grasp that learning. If you have any sincere love relationship, then you will have the great result and you will spend quality time with your loved ones during this time period. Mercury controls your ninth house and your sixth house, and right now Mercury is starting from your third house in the sign of Pisces. There are a lot of planets are right now present in the into your third house in the sign of Pisces, like Mercury, Rahu, Venus, and Saturn. But will change two signs in the month of May. Like Mercury will move from your third house to your fourth house around 6 May 2025, and from your fourth house to your fifth house around 24th May 2025. So, Mercury being the lord of your ninth house, deal with your higher education, your post-grad education are seen from ninth house, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your religious matter, religious inclination, your long distance travel, following the rules and regulations, second marriage, all of these things are represented by your ninth house, your luck related matter, how fortunate you are, your wisdom, your knowledge is represented by ninth house. So ninth house, sixth house will be your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your daily routine in context of work, your loans, your debt. So regarding ninth house and sixth house Lord being present in your fourth house, we can expect you if you are in education life, like you are doing some post-grad education, then you will have great result regarding your education related matter, especially after 19th May because Ketu is right now targeting from the house of Mercury. But in the month of May, Rahu Ketu about to change sign after 18th month. Because previously from 18th month, Ketu was present to your ninth house in the sign of Virgo in the sign of Mercury. So after when Ketu will move from your ninth house to your eighth house, then you will feel the major difference in the result of Mercury. So after 19th May, we can expect you will have great result regarding your education related matter. You may try to travel somewhere, especially after the month of May or month of June, because result of Rahu Ketu will be effective after some time because these are the long duration planets. These planets change their houses after 18th month, after a long duration. So, you may try to travel somewhere when Ketu will move from your ninth house to your fifth house. We will cover the separate video for Rahu Ketu transit, but right now you just need to know Ketu is about to move from the house of Mercury. After that, you will feel the major difference in the result of Mercury, and you will feel the good result of Mercury when Ketu will move from the house of Mercury. Venus controls your 10th house, and your 5th house. And right now, Venus is transiting from your third house in the sign of Pisces. 10th house will be your work environment, your authority, how far you can go into career, how much fame you will have, how much authority you will have into your life, etc. Fifth house, as we discussed previously in sun section, fifth house will be the children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, etc. So regarding your 10th house and fifth house, Lord Venus is right now present into your third house in its exalted position. Means Venus is right now present in good position, and Venus will stay into your third house till the whole month of May. You will put a lot of effort because third house will be the efforts. Your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your communication related matter, your ideas, your hobbies, your hand skills are represented by third house. So till the month of May, you will put a lot of effort regarding your work related matter, and you will also get the revenue of that effort because your 10th house lord will be in its exalted position, in its good position. Also, your mental abilities will be very supportive to you. Means you will work very passionately, and you will put a lot of effort. You will also get the revenue of that effort due to presence of your fifth and 10th house lord in its exalted position into your third house. If your work is somehow connected to hands, like you are a hand worker, then you will have great result regarding your work treatment. You will be able to earn a lot of money in the month of May with your communication with your hands related matter. Moon controls your seventh house, and right now Moon is starting from your sixth house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 1st May 2025 because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe the result of Moon for every house in a monthly prediction video. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit into your transit chart. So first of all, whenever moon is transiting near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties into your life because these house considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we during these days you can also expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties into your life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit into your transit chart. Mars controls your fourth house and your 11th house. And right now, Mars is transiting from your seventh house in the sign of Cancer sign, considered as the weak sign, debilitation sign for Mars. Means your seventh house right now in its weak state, controlling your 11th house and your fourth house. Both the good houses, Lord, is right now being debilitated into your seventh house deal with your marriage, your legal binding, your relationships in journal, how you will meet others, your fame related matter, your public relationship. So regarding all of these matter, first of all, you need to be take care when you're dealing with your spouse if you are married right now, because there are chances your relationship may get disturbed due to presence of Mars in its weak state. There are chances you will face some aggressive circumstances with your spouse or your co-partnership. So you need to avoid conflict, try not to communicate as much as you can in the month of May with your spouse and with your business partner. Try to avoid a lot of communication with your spouse and with your coworker or your business partner, if you have any business in partnership, because there are chances out of aggression you may get disturbing result regarding your relationship and your partnership due to presence of Mars in its weak state. Also, you need to be somehow careful regarding your health related matter because from seventh house Mars will aspect to your first house, and first house is your ascendant, is you. So there are chances you may do some action with out of aggression. So take control of your aggression in the month of May, especially till Mars is moving. After that, we can expect you will have you after that we can expect you will have good result regarding all of these matters. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Capricorn ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.